As we come up the circular drive, we take in the refined lines of the Harold Hathaway-designed Florentine villa, the antique jardiniere, the bas-reliefed adorned loggia leading to the front door. Through this door strode the most illustrious members of the famed Boston School of Painting, leading artists of their time, artists exhibited worldwide, free thinkers and creatives from every discipline, and notably, as you will see, Frederick Law Olmsted Jr., a close friend of Hermann Dudley and Nellie Littlehale Murphy and the designer of their landscape. Let's now go up the steps to the vine-covered pergola, where festive luncheons took place with wine from the hidden cellar in the sunken garden. We wend our way to the back and immediately note the distinctive garden terracing ahead, the colorful blooms that had been planted here, the plant listing of which is still available in the Olmsted Archive collection, led to a top perch, now adorned with a decorative basin, then a favorite spot for watercolorist Nellie Littlehale Murphy to paint. The whimsical tiles laid into the steps were collected on the couple's international travels. Casting our eyes to the rear of the property, another delight. Steps leading down to a seating area graced with a charming gazebo. This is thought, along with the bas-reliefs at the entry to the house, to be an addition by Maurice Kilbridge, the Dean of Harvard's Graduate School of Design, the third owner of the property. Dramatic ledge outcroppings in the backyard reflect the Olmsted philosophy of letting nature speak its piece. Facing the back of the house, we note something striking. It looks quite like the front of a house. There's a special reason for this. Behind and down the hill from the house, nestled behind old-growth trees, is another home, where renowned artist Aidan LaSalle Ripley lived, building his home with a front door facing the home of his dear friends, the Murphys. Many a merry traverse was made on the staircase that then existed between the two homes. The Murphy home had two art studios. They shared the larger studio with WPA artist John Enser, whom they took in. With Ripley, the Murphys and Enser formed Lexington's first and only known artist colony. Let's cross over the Great Lawn, the setting for countless games and lawn parties, to the beautiful staircase framed by two elegant urns. We are looking at the approach to one of the most wonderful, fantastical ideas that had ever been built in Lexington. Here in the year 1835, Eli Robbins, noted music lover, philanthropist, abolitionist, and visionary, built a 3-story wooden observatory. He then built 2 roads leading to it, one the existing bridle path, and opened it to the public. Horse and carriages lined up both roads as their owners gathered to enjoy the marvels. There were 4th of July festivities with dancing spanning 3 consecutive nights. A benefit for building Follen Church featured a brass brigade, and one could gaze onto the boats in Boston Harbor from the top. We turn now back to the villa. To the right, now housing the elegant Venetian pool, was Hermann Dudley Murphy's studio, and to the left, Nellie's studio. When we get inside, you'll note the Nellie touch of the whimsical design carved into the doorway surround. Now, let's go inside, shall we?